guys, so welcome to Mama and Me. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some overnight chia seed pudding. So the first one is some raspberry pudding. The second one is some coconut milk, and that's just a classic base. And then here we have chocolate peanut butter. So let's get started. So for the peanut butter and raspberry one, you're going to need the peanut butter, chocolate chips, raspberries, and the measurements are always in the description box. Here we have some vanilla, maple syrup, some coconut milk, chia seeds, and your bowls to mix in. It's too dark. Wait, hold on. So for the raspberry one, you're going to add your raspberries to the base that we made and just mash them up. And then put them in a mason jar and refrigerate it overnight. So for the peanut butter chocolate one, you're going to go ahead and add a little more than a tablespoon of some peanut butter, some chocolate chips, and then repeat the steps that we did before, and that is just put it in a mason jar and refrigerate overnight. Raspberry one. So let's dig in. So the next one is the coconut vanilla. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a stir and grab some of my chia seeds. The next one is our peanut butter chocolate one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to try out all 3 of these because they were all amazing, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna like them all. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers!